Hi, this is Ken Brown with MKT Metal Manufacturing. Today we're in Philadelphia at Shriners Children's Hospital with Yami. Today we're here to help raise funds for our 4th annual Shriner Shoot for Children, which is held October 4th. This year our goal is to raise $15,000 with your help.
Hi, I'm Yami. I'm 10 years old and from Knoxville, Tennessee. I really enjoy the Shriners. They help me a lot. Please help us fundraise and keep Shriners going and helping children that need. Thank you.